These soldiers belong to the Somali Special Forces, and they're far away from home. They're in Turkey receiving training from its military. The focus is on anti-terror operations and modern combat techniques. They're needed in a country that sees regular attacks from Al-Shabaab.
isticmaalkoodana aan baranay muddo 13 isbuuc ciidanka xoogga dalka Turkiga wax walba waxay na barayeen cilmiga askariga annagoo baranay cilmigaas khibrad weyn ka qaadanay gabagabadii.
More than 1,700 Somali soldiers will undergo training as part of a cooperation deal the two countries signed in 2019. Somalia is one of the world's most dangerous places. The biggest threat it faces is terrorism. But the Somali Special Forces training here in Turkey are hopeful that this cooperation will make their countrymen safer. The Somali commander Mohammed Abdulwahid Farah says he's seen improvements in his soldiers.
Jamhuuriyadda Turkiga ee walaalaha nahay waxaan uga mahadcelinayaa sida xushmada iyo qadarinta leh ee dalkooda noogu soo dhaweeyeen. ayadoo noo tahay gurigeeni labaad waxaan aad uga faraxsanahay inaan tababar heerkiisu sareeyo ku qaadano gudaha dalka Turkiga.
The two countries have been strengthening their friendship in recent years, and for Turkey, these exercises are a way to help its ally flourish. Semir Seyfovic, TRT World, Isparta, Turkey.